Hello everyone, it's Scarlett. Today we came to OK Energy Company. This company mainly produces oxyhydrogen generators. Now let Alan talk about these products.
Hello everyone, welcome to OK Energy. I'm Alan. OK Energy was established in 2006. We have been focused on researching, developing, and manufacturing HHO oxyhydrogen generators. We aim at producing new energy, improving energy efficiency, reducing costs and environmental impact, protecting the earth and our homeland. Our products have been sold to over 60 countries all over the world.
So Alan, you have mentioned about HHO technology. What is it?
HHO technology is water became gas, water became fire technology. HHO machine just consumes water and electricity. It splits water into oxyhydrogen gas.
So what's the application of your oxyhydrogen generators?
Oxyhydrogen generators have many applications. It was widely used for car engine carbon cleaning, polishing, sealing, welding, cutting, heating, and so on.
It's so great. I can't wait to visit your factory.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. So Alan, we are in your workshop, right?
Yes.
So what's this area?
This area is raw material area. All of these are stainless steel materials.
Raw materials, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Here is our electrolytic cell production area. The cell is the main part of the HHO generators. We have many skilled and experienced workers here, all worked over 10 years.
10 years, very great.
All of the parts were hand welding. From these semi-finished welding products, we can see the welding joint is very smooth, and we can hardly see the soldering seam. After welding, all of the parts will be put into a high-pressure water tank. It should pass through 3 to 8 bar high-pressure test. All of these 4 tests will make sure the electrolysis cell is 100% no leakage and ensure it's headless.
So this worker is assembling, right?
Yes, this is assembly area. There are 3 steps. Firstly, install the electrolysis cell, power supply unit, and amplifier system. Secondly, install the human-machine interface and the PLC control system. Thirdly, do wire connection and keep consistency of all of the parts.
After assembling work, all of the machine will be sent to the testing area. The machine should be done reliability test, electrical test, compression test, gas leak test, and so on. After finishing these full tests and quality check, only qualified products will be sent to the warehouse for dispatching.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.